Okay, this is a song called I'll Find You from an album that we made called Damage Control, and it's all about looking for lost inspiration.
Or lost happiness. Or lost beer.
Lost marbles.
Lost marbles. Lost those.
Lost car keys.
Yeah. Phone is a common one.
Lost hope.
Yeah.
All of it.
Okay. Will I find you tearing this apart? Will I find you waiting at the start? Will I find out I don't want you at all? Can't find you doing what we've always done so well. Falling out of all the luck with you. I'm filled with all the pain you always gently see. I'm crawled out of the hole that you once did inside. You always knew just what to do. It's taken away. It's buried in hindsight with this negative mindset. I'm losing this game. Lost faith in believing in the courage still grieving. Will I find you with nothing left to give? Will I find out I needed you to live? Will I find you digging up the dirt? Please find me, 'cause my confidence is carrying my worth. We're breathless, counting our progression in our check. Now it pains me to take another 100 back. You saved me, I promised you would see us through. Without you, there's nothing I can try to prove. When everything's changed, emotions are frozen in fictitious emotion. I don't get what you mean. It was always so constant, now your absence, it haunts me. I'm not coping with this feeling, the identity is leaving. My wings are dragging heavy on the floor. All the doubt in every move is eating everything I do, and it's relentless in its course to try and shut this door. No, the choice is mine to see, 'cause to take this on, I'll let this win. If I let you go, I'll never know. Meeting on the road we've always known. Just know what to do when the ego is drowning, the rejection's resounding. You gotta come through. I know that we got this, we know what the cost is. I know that we do. I know that we do. I find you in everything I feel. I find that none of this has to be real. I find out you're never letting go. I find lost trust in you is all I need to grow. Nice one, guys. Thank you.